Hi guys, this is Alice from Lampack Machinery. Glad to see you again here. Today I would like to introduce you another liquid line. It's fully automatic filling, capping and labeling system for bottles. This machine consists by 6 machines, and each machine is independent, so you can choose the whole system or separate machine of it based on your current situation. Now let's see the system one by one. The first machine is bottle arranging machine. Your worker just need to put dozens of bottles here, and then the machine will arranging it and fitting it and transport to the next process for filling liquid. As you can see, the main machine is made of high quality stainless 304, and the max speed can reach around 60 bottles per minute. If you want to change other dimension, it's very easy. It's very simple operation. Just put one empty bottle here, and then loose the screws, and then move this plate to make sure each time just one bottle can get through, and then it's done. So let's see how it works. This is the second machine, servo piston liquid filling machine, and it's for filling different types of liquids. It can handle 100 to 1000 milliliters. For standard machine, the main frame and the part touching with liquid will use standard stainless steel 304, but for this machine it's stainless steel 316 because the end customer from Ireland have higher quality requests. You can also see that the whole machine was protected by the acrylic cabinet. On the top of the machine, you can see there is a big liquid storage tank. It can hold max 120 liter liquids to make sure the whole machine can keep working uninterrupted. This machine has 4 filling heads. It's controlled by servo motor, which makes it more stable and smarter. And also, this machine can be suitable for different types of liquids, not just for free-flow liquid like water, juice, and milk, but also can be suitable for the thick liquid like tomato paste, hot sauce, and so on. The speed is about 5 to 8 bottles per minute per head. By 4 heads, it's 20 to 30 bottles per minute. If you want to increase the 4 heads to 6 heads, 8 heads, or 10 heads, it's also workable if your daily production need is more. This is the anti-dripping groove. When all the bottle is fitting enough, this groove will move inside and prevent the extra liquid dripping inside to make sure each bottle capacity accuracy. And when the groove is full of liquid, it will go outside by this outlet for recycle use. If you want to change the bottle size, several steps you can do. First is to adjust this bottle separating plate and the sensor. You can see here, these 2 screws can adjust this device from left to right, and this 4 screw can adjust the device up and down, and the screw here can move the device upward, forward, and backward. Just make sure the distance between the bottle edge and the sensor is about 1 to 3 millimeters. In this case, when the bottle comes, the sensor will detect the bottles. And the second step is to adjust this anti-dripping groove. For this groove, you can adjust it by these two handles. You can adjust it upside and downside based on the bottle size. Make sure the distance between this groove and the bottle top is about 3 to 5 centimeters. That's one finger distance. Very simple. And the third step is the distance between these nozzles. You can turn this handle, move the nozzle up and down based on the bottle dimension. That's it. Now let's see how it works. All other parameters can be set here directly on touch screen. You can see here the filling speed and the filling quantity. Quantity can be about 100 to 1000 milliliters. It's very simple. The third machine is servo capping machine. This machine includes 3 devices: cap lifting device, cap pressing device, and capping device. You just need to put enough caps inside this tank and turn on the machine, then the caps will move automatically from this channel to this shelf. From here, you can see there is a sensor. When the sensor detects the cap is full on this shelf, then it will stop filling automatically. When the bottle comes across to this position, the caps will place on the top of the bottle and then move to this position. This is the cap pressing device. When the bottle comes across here, this device will press the bottle a little, make sure the cap's in the right position before capping. This is the servo capping machine. It has one head. You can also increase 2 heads or 3 heads based on your production needs. Each head, the speed is around 10 to 20 bottles per minute. And if you want to change the bottle dimension, the way to do it is similar like the second machine. Now let's see how it works. The fourth machine is the automatic aluminum foil sealing machine. It's necessary when your bottle needs a layer of those type aluminum foil sealing on top of the bottle. When the bottle comes across to this position, and then the aluminum foil inside the bottle will receive electromagnetic induction, and then the aluminum foil will heat up instantly and stick onto the bottle firmly. Then it's done. This machine is very easy to adjust. Just one handle here. It can adjust it up or down. The next machine is the rum bottle labeling machine. It can handle not just one single full label. It can also handle side label, one side label, two side label. So by this handle, you can adjust the label position. It can be upper or lower. And from here, you can see it can be accept different size of label. Now let's see how it works. This is the one side label. The final machine is the finished bottle collecting machine. This machine is exactly the same as the bottle arranging machine. Some customers will prefer a finished bottle platform instead. There is another special request for this system has to be mentioned is that the explosion-proof electric box. For this whole system, there are 4 explosion-proof electric boxes. All the key components like PLC, touchscreen are moved inside this box. In this case, even when you have some dangerous material in your workshop, no need to worry about the safety issues. For example, if you have some flammable or explosive liquid like gasoline, alcohol in your workshop, with this box, then it can prevent from explosion. So you can choose this for option 2. We already went through the whole system. You will find that about 3 workers will be totally enough to handle the whole line. 1 or 2 workers to arrange the empty bottle, caps, and the labels regularly, and 1 worker to collect the finished bottles. So if you also want less workers to finish more daily production, please contact us immediately for a perfect solution. Thanks for watching. Bye.